1. What type of heat transfer is boiling water? A. Radiation. B. Induction. C. Convection. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C, convection. Next question. 2. Ventilators are provided near the ceiling of the room because A. The exhaled warmer air rises up and goes out. B. These provide cross-ventilation in the room. C. These provide some sunlight in the room. D. These do not look nice in the lower part. The correct answer is option B. These provide cross-ventilation in the room. Next question. 3. Woolen clothes keep the body warm because A. Wool increases the temperature of the body. B. Wool is a bad conductor. C. Wool absorbs radiant heat from outer objects. D. Wool rejects heat from the outer objects. The correct answer is option B. Wool is a bad conductor. Next question. 4. Plants are dried up in winter due to frost because A. Evaporation does not take place. B. Photosynthesis does not take place at such low temperature. C. Respiration does not take place at low temperature. D. There's mechanical loss of tissues and drought condition prevails. The correct answer is option D. There is mechanical loss of tissues and drought condition prevails. Next question. 5. A cup of hot coffee is placed on a metal table in a room. By which of the following methods does it lose heat? A. Induction and convection only. B. Induction and radiation only. C. Convection and radiation only. D. Conduction, convection and radiation. The correct answer is option D. Conduction, convection and radiation. Next question. 6. In general, which is the cause of a land breeze? A. Pressure. B. Heat. C. Temperature. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Temperature. Next question. 7. A body absorbs heat most if it is A. Black and rough. B. Black and smooth. C. White and rough. D. White and smooth. The correct answer is option A. Black and rough. Next question. 8. A black body can absorb radiations of A. Lower wavelengths only. B. Intermediate wavelengths only. C. Higher wavelengths only. D. All wavelengths. The correct answer is option D. All wavelengths. Next question. 9. The cover of a solar cooker is made of glass because A. It absorbs sun's rays. B. It reflects sun's rays. C. It retains the heat inside by the greenhouse effect. D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. It retains the heat inside by the greenhouse effect. Next question. N. Global warming is expected to result in A. Increase in level of sea. B. Change in crop pattern. C. Change in coastline. D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Thanks for watching.